with Jeff Junker. We're talking about the PS4210, new announcement for the lineup here. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, the 4210 is basically the little brother of the 6210, which has really taken the EqualLogic market by storm. It's a scaled down version, so scaled down performance for entry-level computing. What's neat about it is it brings in a new flash level into the starter series and the 4000 entry-level class that wasn't there before, and it does that with a lot more performance as well. So the entry point for EqualLogic is not only a value point now, but also has flash enablement and hybrid loads, hybrid workbases as well.
Well, I noticed on the screen there you're talking about 80K IOPS for this type of product. For a lot of businesses, that's more than they'll ever need, right?
That's right, and you can scale these. You can add up to 2 of these in a group, and then you continue to expand that group with PS6000s as well. So you can grow your group as large as you want, but if you want to start off in the value point here, you have a great entry point now.
So you can solve a problem and be strategic all at the same time.
That's right, yeah.
So what type of customers do you think are going to be most interested in this type of solution?
Small enterprises that are growing up, remote offices are great fits. People with shifting workloads, so the hybrid versions are great at being able to react to keep your hot data on the SSD drives, and your other drive, your colder data will migrate to the slower spinning drives. So it gives you a lot of the enterprise flexibility that you had previously in more expensive product now as an entry point.
Great. Well, great, Jeff. Thanks very much for joining us today. Now we're with Omer Ansari. Omer, tell me a little bit about the new partnership that you guys have with Dell and Nutanix.
Well, thanks, George. It's actually an exciting partnership. Basically, we get to bring the best of both worlds to the table. We get Dell hardware and Nutanix software to enable a virtual computing platform that's really best of breed for both worlds.
Yeah, we've written a lot about the Nutanix solution on our site, and it's very popular. People are really into the convergence thing, but one of the things I think they struggle with is they just really want to make it turnkey as well, and I think that you guys are now able to do that for them, right?
Absolutely, and the beauty of this is essentially we are taking an appliance approach to the market. So we are providing a turnkey appliance where you can essentially take your virtual machines and take them and run them incredibly well on the Nutanix platform and scale them linearly.
Right, and just to be clear, we're talking about a converged environment that allows everything to work within a single set of boxes, correct?
That is correct. So the key here is essentially what we're doing at Nutanix is bringing direct attached storage that's in the actual server set, and we're creating a virtualization layer that abstracts the storage away for the hypervisor environment. So, for the virtual machines that are running in the hypervisor. So that they see a single data store essentially, and we take care of all of the complexity of managing that storage environment below the actual. So it's a really fluid experience for the actual VMs that are running on top of it.
And then, as I recall, it's also it could run either Hyper-V or VMware, right? So you're not locked in.
No, not at all. In fact, we are hypervisor agnostic. So with the Dell platform, the Dell XC720 is going to be able to ship with either Hyper-V or ESXi.
So you can have whichever one makes the most sense for you.
You absolutely can have whatever the one works for you.